Wow.
Okay, that's okay.
Okay,
I'll edit.
once more.
Let's do it.
Okay, 1, 2,
Three.
3.
Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hope you all are doing well and welcome to With Love Ara. And I don't know how many of you all are excited, but I'm really very excited because this is one of the episodes or a segment that I had never thought of in my life that this would happen. After coming to Pakistan, as everyone is asking how is Sri Lanka, how is Sri Lankan food, how is Sri Lankan culture, today I'm going to show them a small demo. Here I have Azka and I have Mahnoor. I would love to have both of you in my channel and welcome to With Love Ara.
Thank you.
Okay, so this is my first time coming in any YouTube video and I'm like so excited for it.
And I'm too excited to have you. And
Thank you for having me.
welcome. And Azka.
Like Manur, this is also my first time in any such video, so I'm super excited to be a part of this. And yeah, thank you for having us.
Okay, and too. Plus, I want to introduce you as my leadership course colleagues, and I'm happy to have met you all there. And yeah, like, okay, we'll go to the segment directly, and here they are. Actually, I wanted to make you white rice plus some Sri Lankan dishes. But the thing is that I was in a hurry and I couldn't make it. I'm so sorry about it. So I made paratha, and this we call as seeni sambal. Seeni sambal means it will give sheen, you know.
Sugar.
Haan.
Okay, sweet. It is sweet.
It is quite sweet.
Okay.
Plus, it gives a spice taste also.
Okay.
And this is made out of brinjal. Usually we make this on Friday. Friday is quite special in Sri Lanka, Sri Lankan Muslim community. So we make this with beef or chicken or mutton. And this is dal curry. Actually, this is the very first time I have made this within 10 minutes before coming. Okay, I'm not sure whether it would taste the same as what I'm cooking all these days. So sorry, my mom. Actually, this is a representation of all the Sri Lankan community now. So that's why I'm quite fear about it also. The same as how I'm excited, I'm quite fearing also. So.
So excited to try.
Same.
I'm scared as well as excited. Sometimes my mother would say like, "Manatha vangadamma." It is like, don't spoil my name.
Oh,
Because
okay.
she's the one taught me over the call how to make this and all.
Is this potato or is this
That is garlic.
garlic? Okay, I love garlic.
It smells so good.
Yeah, everything smells really delicious. Like,
Jazakallah
I just know
khair.
it's going to be good.
Yeah, I'm really excited to know your reaction.
Should we try dal first?
Okay, yeah, let's do it together. Okay.
No.
Is your bite ready? Let's do it.
It's
good.
good.
It's good.
Really?
Yeah, it's good.
Actually, we add coconut milk.
It's good.
Parwala. Success number 1.
What are you trying next?
I'm not sure what the name was.
This is seeni sambal.
Seeni sambal. Let's try seeni sambal.
Be aware of biting that clove and cinnamon.
This is good too, but I think this is like on a sweeter side for me.
What?
This is like on a more sweeter side for me.
Yeah.
It is made of onions.
Yeah, completely onion. completely onion,
Oh.
and we add some sort of spices and sugar.
It's nice. Is it like a sweet dish?
Yeah, sweet.
So
do
you
you-
guys eat it with like rice or
Do you eat it
roti
like
or-
after your meal or like?
No, I eat it with paratha, and especially in Sri Lankan community, we eat with bread. This dal and sini sambala, much like heaven with bread.
Oh, okay, okay. Now the last one was the special one, right?
Brinjal.
Let's taste this. This looks nice. This is nice. I like this one the most.
So, rate my curries.
Okay.
Mm,
Dal
yeah.
9.5 on 10.
Wow. Mm,
This sini sambal,
yeah, same.
it is 8 on 10,
Okay.
and
Okay.
brinjal is on 10 on 10.
Mashallah.
I think I agree with the rating.
Same.
Yeah,
Same. Jazakallah khair.
it's nice.
Um,
Very
Another
nice.
bite.
You should
Yeah.
also eat with us.
Yeah,
Yeah,
please,
sure.
please.
I'm really grateful to my mom. Actually, in Sri Lanka, different community people eat differently. It means like we have special foods to each people. Especially, I really love eating on banana leaves. That would add something like more homely touch, or yeah, you know. And we prefer eating with hand.
Same like I also eat with hands at home. So I heard that Sri Lankan people eat more like fish and rice and stuff.
Actually, I'm from coastal area, and fish is like a go-to curry. Every day we have fish, and in Fridays mostly we have beef and chicken. Yeah, fish, prawn, crab, and all are very normal to us. Yeah.
It is good.
I'm grateful to my mom. Jazakallah khaira. Mom, gonna pay the kapat. It means like I have saved your name.
Oh, okay. And the paratha. This is also really good.
Actually,
How do
paratha
you
is
even
from...
make it like?
No, paratha is an instant paratha.
I know how to make it from scratch.
Is it? I would love to taste yours.
Yeah, inshallah.
And I came to ask you that you were in Abu Dhabi, and you asked me about Malayalam and Tamil. So already you might have listened to some of the words now. What are the words you know already?
The one word that I know for sure is ille. I know,
Ille.
yeah, I know that I've heard it so many times. I know it's ille is for no. I just so every time I heard someone like ille, I was like, yeah, it means no. Yeah,
You have to know the positive word of it also. Yes,
yeah, I don't know that.
we say different people say in different way, like ama,
Okay.
or
Um,
or in Jaffna people say om, o. We say in different
okay.
ways, you know. How would you
Illa
say?
and
Yeah, illa, ama, oh, anything like whatever you are comfortable with. Okay, no?
Okay, nice.
And if you say G,
Yeah, we say G. Or if you want to, it's a more informal word. You can also say ha, but it's like sometimes people consider it like it's rude to say
Yeah.
G. Don't say ha, but people still say ha. Like ha. It depends again.
day before yesterday, while I was doing a voiceover, I had to ask my guarantee for the permission that I would make a little bit of sound. And the way she called me is really inside my mind. It's like butterflies. I asked her, excuse me, auntie, and she, Ji Janu, like she
Oh, this is so
like
cute. This
she
is so
called
cute.
me.
ये बंद नहीं हो रहा. I think
Janu means
It's because is it because of this spoon? Oh, is it? It's because of this.
love, right?
Yeah, it's like dearest,
Dear.
dear. It's that's what it is.
This how you call it. Yar.
Yeah, yaar is more like friends.
Yeah, and in an informal way.
Yeah.
Like in a formal way, you would say dost,
Hmm.
but informal, you'd be like.
But like yaar
yaar.
is a part of our daily conversation.
You know, it's like a more like a slang where you say normal. Yeah.
Like
Nee,
yaar,
yaar.
yaar, please do this. Yaar, please pass the chair, like that.
Just
Arey
add-
yaar.
yeah, that's
And arey yaar is like a expression of
disappointment.
Arey yaar.
You missed something. अरे यार, मैं भूल गई.
Oh yeah.
You will say that.
Come to wind up our session.
Yeah.
Sorry, it's not like a session. It was like a friend segment.
It was a nice
Chit
video.
chat.
Yeah. I'd like to teach you a Tirukural.
What is that?
Tirukural is moral, ethical values saying depicting a book. Okay, so it has 1,330 kurals, means like couplets, short
Okay,
couplets.
okay.
Okay, so one of the couplets which I love the most is இனிய உளவாக இன்னாத கூறல் கனி இருப்ப காய் கவர்ந்து. Okay, you're gonna say it. I'll
What
say
does
the
it mean?
Yeah.
Okay, the meaning is that you have more of a pleasant words with you, but when you choose to say harsh word, then it is similar to you are choosing an unripe fruit when you have ripened fruits. Ripe fruits. You got it?
It's deep.
Okay, no? So it is like இனிய உளவாக
இனிய உளவாக
இன்னாத கூறல்
The plural.
இன்னாத கூறல்
இன்னாத கூறல்
the கூறல்
கனி இருப்ப
கனியிடுப்ப
கனி இருப்ப
கனி இடுப்ப
கனி means fruit. Okay, கனி இருப்ப
கனியெடுப்ப
காய் கவர்ந்தற்று காய்
காய்
கவர்ந்தற்று
கவர்
கவர்ந்தற்று கவர் கவர்
கவர்
தற்று
தற்று
Cover the truck.
கவர்ந்தற்று
கவர்ந்தற்று.
கவர்ந்தற்று கவர்ந்து
It is an old language.
okay okay okay
Not the Tamil we use nowadays.
Yeah.
It is like an Urdu poems you.
yeah
different
I
language.
understand it's like more
It is.
yeah
Cover means attracting. You are attracting unripe fruits rather than ripe fruits. Okay, that's the meaning of it, and I'd like to introduce your Kural and introduce Anne, and I'm really happy. And anything that you wish to introduce me in Urdu, any famous Urdu phrases, something that people will get benefited from.
benefited from. So I have, I know one of my favorite poets is Ahmad Salman, Urdu poet. So I love his ghazal. You know we say ghazal in Urdu
I've
for
heard.
yeah. So there is one of his writings that I love personally. I can teach you that. I love it.
Okay.
So it's like जो हम पे गुजरे तिरंग सारे जो खुद पे गुजरे तो लोग समझे जब अपनी अपनी मोहब्बतों के अजाब झेले तो लोग समझे
What is
so it basically means कि जो हम पे गुजरे तिरंग सारे you know all the sadness that I went through when people went through the same sadness then they understood
Okay.
yeah जो हम पे गुजरे थे रंज सारे all सारे means all जो खुद पे गुजरे when the people went through the same thing तो लोग समझे then they understood जब अपनी अपनी मोहब्बतों के when they went through the trials of their own love मोहब्बतों के अजाब झेले तो लोग समझे then people understood
Okay. When you are in their shoes only, you will
Yeah, it's
understand.
basically like that, yeah.
Okay. And yeah, we say in Tamil also, தலைவலியும் காய்ச்சலும் தனக்கு வந்தால் தான் தெரியும். When you had that headache and when you had that fever only, you will understand the pain of it. Until we say it is just a story for you.
yeah that's true that's absolutely true
I would love to. I'll memorize it and
Yeah.
say it inshallah.
inshallah
And thank you. I'm really grateful for
No,
both
thank
of you.
you.
Thank you so
Because
much
you're
for
cooking
having
so much.
yeah I mean
really
I
tasty.
cannot do that so I really appreciate that
Okay, and Jazakallah khaira for joining this and
Barakallah.
making this video more beautiful with your beautiful inside and outside. And Manur also, she's like, I want to mention that even when role play is given to act, she just lives as the character. Just like she looks like. It is like a piece of cake for her. So the way can you remember she was answering the phone call during the role
yeah
play?
the
Sarah.
yeah
Yeah, Yeah, like, she was the character on that. I really loved it.
Thank you so much.
And I wish you all the success on your freelancing journey, and you are creating some more digital contents. And I love to see more of it. And you too, I think you are a research enthusiast and more into biotechnology. And you should go into more startups. Enjoy the life as well as
you so
enjoy
much.
every moment. And thank you. You know, guys, I was really happy to have both of them. And if you're from Pakistan or Sri Lanka or from any of the countries, comment down your favorite dishes and whatever special in your country. We would love to know and have a very good convo in between. Expect more exciting contents like this, and with love, RR channel. So keep subscribed and stay tuned with us. Thank you.
Subscribe to her
Yeah.
channel because she's a very beautiful person and you should
Like,
subscribe.
comment, share the video, and subscribe. Bye, guys.
Assalamu alaikum.